Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another Tactical Tuesday with OM. Today we're going to be going over the importance and best practices for folders in Google Tag Manager. Throughout our social accounts, you guys have made it clear that Google Tag Manager is what you're least comfortable with. So we'll be rolling out a few videos here on GTM that will just explain best practices and how to use the platform. So typically, when you land in GTM, you land on the Overview tab. Here's the left navigation bar. Tags, triggers, variables, folders. So today we'll go to our tags. You guys can see here we usually stamp what tags are ours. So anything with OM are the tags that we create. Going to the folders part, you can see under the folders column, we put each individual tag in a certain folder. This is because as you build out your GTM account, you'll see that there's a lot of tags and it's difficult to find certain tags. Adding these to the folders, we can navigate to the folder that we want, and we're able to decide what tag we're looking for and easily identify what folder we put it in. So if I'm looking for, let's say, the certain button click that's conversion, I know I can go to my folders, conversion tab, and there's my tag. So best practices for folders for us, we like to have an analytics folder, a conversions folder, and a social network tags folder. Other folders are what our clients are comfortable using with, but we won't go into their strategy. So analytics folder, we just add events that we pass over into Google Analytics. This allows us to easily identify our events. Conversions, going to be many less tags. So here you'll see we just have this button click that we identify as a conversion. And then social network tags, you'll see we have our Facebook pixel here, our LinkedIn Insight tag. We'll be adding HubSpot, certain things like that to this as well. So we hope this clears a little bit of strategy up for GTM. We highly advise that you guys use folders. If you have any other specific questions for GTM, please feel free to reach out and we'll create a video on that. Thanks again for tuning in to another Tactical Tuesday.